Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and doing well with your studies. So, welcome to the next session of English class. And today we are going to take one chapter from your video book, Communicate in English. But before I start my chapter, I would like to ask some of the questions as usual. So, are you ready for that? Okay. So, just honestly tell me how many of you just do your work yourselves, without taking anyone's help of your elder brother or sister or your parents or any other one at your home, maybe your mate, your servant or any other person. Yes, so we should depend on ourselves for doing each and every work for ourselves. But then there are some people, those who do not rely on themselves and they take the help of other things or persons, as we have done in chapter number 1. In 6th class book, if I talk about, we have done one chapter, Who Did Patrick's Homework. So that was a story of a boy named Patrick who had elf in his house to do his homework, to do his studies, because he never liked to do his homework on his own. So he just had one elf, that is a magical power. So he wanted that elf should do his homework, but then in the end he realizes that every person has to do his own work finally. So this way we can see that many of us are dependent on other persons or other things, supernatural powers for our small work. And today also I will be dealing with one chapter, that is robots. So it's a machine that help you in your each and every domestic work. It is a kind of a machine that helps you in your works, be it domestic help, be it official help. So anywhere you can appoint robots, and these days we can find robots everywhere, on the bus stops, on the railway stations, on the where you find offices. So we find even in the schools, in the hospitals, on the airports, so everywhere we find robots. And nowadays even in some of the homes of the foreign countries and abroad, that are advanced countries, so we find these robots that are working for them. And even if you have heard about this COVID-19 disease, then we have just happened to create one robot which can diagnose your disease. So again, so many things are done by robots. So today our chapter is based on this robot. One robot is there in a house of a boy named Manku is the name of robot, and Ajay is the name of a boy. So this Manku robot, it has been brought by this boy Ajay from one robotics international company. There are various companies of robots. You can just ask the company and they will send you one robot in your homes to do your work. So this boy Ajay also does not like to do his household work, domestic work on his own, and then he goes to the company online and he just asks the company to provide him one robot. But then these robots are very difficult to handle because they are all computerized. They do not follow our instructions in a proper manner. Then they can create a problem, a mishap. But then here it is the fault of Ajay. So what are his mistakes? What mistakes does Ajay commit which make him return this robot to the company back from where it has come? So this is all about that robotics international company from where the robot has come, and the mistakes that are, or the lie that this Ajay speaks that makes him to return the robot. So this we will study and read in this chapter. So let us read the chapter. It is very interesting chapter and you will learn a lesson from this chapter. So we will start with the reading of the chapter, and I request you to open your books on page number 40. So we will start with the definition of robots. What are robots? It's lesson number 4. I will be writing the word meanings, the difficult words along with their meanings, that you have to copy it out in your reader notebooks from my video. So let's start. Robots are machines. You can even underline. You can be asked, what are robots? They are machines that are programmed or designed to perform different tasks or works or functions. So they are the machines which are specially designed to do some work for you. Nowadays they are used in factories and other areas for mechanical or dangerous jobs. It is thought that one day robots will be created that can think, act and even feel like human beings. So we are researching on these types type of robots who can just think and do work like as we do human beings. They can act like human beings. How do you think robots could change our lives in the future? Just think over it. If the robots will be there in each and every house, then how will robots change your lifestyle? Just think over it. So, write 2 ways in which robots can be useful to you. This is your self-attempt exercise. This I want you to do it in your book itself. 2 lines are provided in the book, so you will write your opinions over there. What are the robots' uses? So, you will write 2 uses of robots here in these 2 lines. So, let's start the reading part now. What relationship does Ajay share with his Manku robot? So, now what is the name of robot? Yes, it's Manku. Read this interesting story to find out. Ajay had a robot in the house, but he was facing some problems. He has brought this robot to solve his problems but ultimately that robot only becomes a problem for Ajay. How? Let us find out. Oh, do stop it. Ajay was exasperated. What is exasperated? Exasperated is when you are so much upset, irritated with someone's behavior, someone's work habits. So we find the chapter starts with the first line that Ajay is so much irritated, exasperated. So this you can just write down in your notebooks. Oh, do stop it, Manku. You don't have to take part in every conversation. So what is the first dialogue of Ajay? He wants to stop Manku because he complains that Manku has a habit of inserting its nose into every conversation. Whatever conversation or a talk he has with his father, with his friends. So Manku has a habit of just inserting its nose into the conversations, which is not right on the part of Manku. He thinks that. Who? Ajay. Correction. Manku robots are supposed to participate in household activities. You will find often and on the usage of the word correction as if we use a computer language. So often and all it is used by Ajay as well as it is used by Manku since it is a machine. Correction everywhere. Wherever he finds error, he says correction. Manku robots are supposed to participate in household activities. So this dialogue is spoken by Ajay. He says that stop Manku, you are not supposed to take part in our conversations. You are just hired here to just do the household activities like what are the household work, daily routine work. They babysit. This means they take care of the babies, small babies in the house when the parents are not there in the home. Then they answer the telephonic calls. What is another work of robot? Then you have to answer the phone calls that are coming in the absence of the owner of the house. Then they dash dash dash. Then he keeps on adding the list of household activities like cooking food, washing the clothes, washing the utensils. So these can be added and the list can be very big because household activities they never come to an end. Okay, correction. You are in error. You are misinforming your father. Misinforming. What is misinforming? You are in error means you are wrong. You are misinforming your father. You are giving wrong information to your father. Your homework has not been done. So he complains. What is Manku complaining? That you are telling a lie to your father. Your homework has not been done. So first time we come to know that Ajay has a habit of telling lies. And this problem is actually of Ajay and not of robot Manku because machines are computerized. They will do the work as we give them instructions. As you have seen the computers in your homes, they just follow your instructions. Whatever command you will give them, they will just act accordingly. They can't act on their own. So this is the case with Manku also. So whatever instructions are given by you to these machines, they will act accordingly. Correction, correction. So he says error, error. Your homework has not been done. There is a problem. There is an error. Ajay sat down at his computer. He knew he was in trouble and it was all Manku's fault. So when Manku says that you give wrong information to your father, you speak lie, your homework is still not done. So he says, now let me sit down fast on my computer, otherwise Manku will again complain to my father and he will tell him that I have not done my maths homework and then I will be in trouble. Obviously, when someone will complain you, what will your father do? He will rebuke you, he will just punish you for not doing the work that he has assigned. Okay, so he says then it will be all Manku's fault. I must quickly start doing my work now before he complains to my father. Manku's fault means mistake. So first word I'll write down here as mistake. Rest of the word meanings are given in your glossary, in your book. If you feel it difficult, then you can write it down. Otherwise, just copy these words which I write it on the board. Okay, stop it both of you. Then we see who enters then. Manku's father, and he sees the conversation or a talk, or you can say argument going on between Ajay and Manku. So he stops both of them. Ajay, you haven't even begun your maths project. So now father says, Ajay, you have not started your maths work. No more excuses, please get down to it. So he scolds Ajay for not completing and starting his maths work. So he instructs Ajay to quickly start his maths homework right away, Dad. And then Ajay says, okay, I am doing it right away, Dad. So Ajay settled down to work. He sits on his computer to do his maths work. Ajay's father went off to his study. His father goes into his study room to study some books. After a while, the doorbell rang, and then there is a ringing on the door. So there will be one person on the door. Let us see who comes now. I bet that's Dinesh. So now Ajay says that I am sure. That means sure. I can bet on that it will be Dinesh. But if I don't do my work now, Manku will tell that, and then I'll be in trouble. But then he says I have to do my work. If I will not do, then Manku will complain to the father and I will be in trouble. So I will not go to see my friend Dinesh. Let Manku only go and receive my friend. So let's see what happens next. Manku, if the visitor asks for me, tell him I am not at home. So now Manku gives him Ajay gives another instruction to Manku. He says that if someone asks for me, tell him that Ajay is not at home. As we usually do, we don't want to meet anyone. So what do we say? Tell that person that sir is not at home. Does it happen? And if that person is fool like Manku, he will say sir is there, but he is saying that he is not there. Does it happen with you also? Sometimes if your father asks you to tell the person who has come to your door that your father is not there, but then you say that father is saying that my father is not there. Has it happened with you? Yes, it sometimes happens with us also. So the same case is going on there. Ajay quickly got up to make sure Manku followed his instructions. Now see, Ajay is very, very suspicious. He has his work to do, but then he follows Manku. He gets up to make sure to check. Make sure is to check Manku followed his instructions or not. Whether he is following his orders or not. Instructions are what? Orders. So this means Ajay don't have faith on Manku, or simply he want to disturb him. Okay, the doorbell rang again. So the doorbell rang twice. Not here, sir. Correction, you are here. So what happens? Not here, sir. So he says, not here, sir. Who speaks these lines? These are spoken by Manku the robot. He says, not here, sir. Correction, you are wrong here. Don't say that you are not here. You are here in front of me. I can see you right here. You are here. So there is an error in your sentence. Oh my goodness. Then he bangs his head. Ajay says, oh my God. What to do of this robot? So the doorbell rang again. Ajay, what's the matter? Why isn't Manku answering the doorbell? So when it rang for twice, then father comes from his study room and he asks Ajay that why is Manku not answering to the doorbell? So there is another work we can see for Manku. He has to open the door whenever there is a visitor from outside. So his father is asking why he is not going to open the door. Oh really? You make me sick, Manku. So when he is not going to open the door, he says that his sir is saying he is not there. So he says, you make me sick. You make me sick is a proverb which means that you upset me. So you irritate me. So Ajay is saying again to Manku that you are what? Irritating me by your behavior. As always, Manku took him literally. So you took him literally again is a proverb. This means Manku always misunderstood. He cannot understand the instructions of Ajay. He cannot understand what is Ajay trying to say him, what he has to do actually. So that is why there is a misunderstanding or misconception between Ajay and Robert. As always, Manku took him literally, as usual he took him misunderstanding in a misunderstanding way. Sick, sir? Shall I call a doctor? Now see, he just takes the word that is spoken by his master, sick, and he is after that word. Now sick means we usually use this word for the person who is not feeling well. So he says, without getting into the deeper meaning, because they don't have brains like humans, so they can't think what is the literal meaning of the word that they have used. So he says, sick means for him that you are ill, you are not feeling well. So what does he say? Sick, sir? Shall I call a doctor? If you are not feeling well, then should I go and call a doctor? Do not call a doctor. Open the first front door. So he gives the instruction again. I am not sick. Please don't call a doctor. Just go and open the door. Okay. Order received, sir. Command being processed, sir. So this is the computerized language. As you use computer, you might be knowing. Order received, sir. Command. Then you give a command and it is under the process. Then it is used for further instructions. So this way the process is going on. Manku opened the door. Ajay recognized his friend Tariq's voice. So when Manku goes to open the door, Ajay recognizes that it is not Dinesh. When he just asks for Ajay, Tariq, Ajay is able to hear the voice from far also that it is not Dinesh but it is his friend Tariq has come at the door. It wasn't Dinesh. Tariq looked at Ajay. So Tariq also he looks at Ajay from outside. Hi Tariq, how nice to see you. I was bored today. So then Ajay also says hi to his friend and he says, so good to see you because I was feeling very bored in my house. Aren't you well, Ajay? No, I am fine. So he says, Ajay, I have heard that you are not well. Manku was saying you are sick. I have heard him saying like that. So he says, Ajay says, no, I am fine. Correction, sir, you were feeling sick. So Manku is again after that word sick. He cannot take that word out of his mind. He says, no, sir, you said that you are sick. You were feeling sick. Correction, sir, you said you were feeling sick and I will call a doctor. And he is just about to call a doctor. So let us see whether actually he is able to call the doctor. Manku followed the boys to Ajay's room. So now what happens? Manku takes the boys to Ajay's room as is the custom. So whenever your friend come, you take them to your room. So here Robert Manku, he takes both the boys to Ajay's room. Are you sure you are alright? So now again he asks him, are you sure that you are alright? Yes, I am fine. I am not sick. It is just this Robert. So he tells Tariq that I am perfectly fine, but this Robert has made me sick. I am not feeling well just because of his behavior. He has irritated me. It pokes its nose in everything. I have a problem with his behavior. He has a habit of poking of his nose into everything. Poking his nose is a proverb which means when you are in a habit of interfering into others' matters without being asked. होती है ना कईयों की आदत बिना मतलब अपनी टांग बीच में अड़ाना. सो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पोकिंग इट्स नोज. हिंदी में मुहावरा होता है टांग अड़ाना. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पोकिंग इट्स नोज इनटू एवरीथिंग. सो दिस वाज अ हैबिट ऑफ Manku. Yes. Correction, sir, you are in error. I don't have a nose again. So now the phrase used by Ajay was it poked its nose into everything. Is he talking of this nose, our body part? No. But then he can't understand the literal meaning. So he just picks up the word nose and then he says, I don't have a nose. Continue with your cleaning. And then Ajay again becomes angry and he says, just continue with your cleaning work. Command received, sir. And then again see the language as the machines use. So he says, okay, I have received your command. I am doing my work. That robot is supposed to help us, not make our lives difficult. So now both Tariq and Ajay, they are having a conversation. And since when you are so upset with someone, so you share your feelings with whom? Obviously your best friend. So now Ajay is sharing his feelings with his friend Tariq. So he says, he is not supposed to interfere into our matters, but he is here, this robot is here only to help us out. I can't even make an excuse to Daddy because it butts in. So what is it? Interrupts the conversation. So he says, I can't speak from my side. Dad doesn't believe me, my conversation, whatever I tell him. But then, before I complete my sentence, this robot, he interferes in between. He butts in, means interferes in our conversation every time. After Tariq left, Ajay decided to contact Robotics International. A man's smiling face appeared on the screen. So what happens next? Tariq, he leaves Ajay's home, and then Ajay, he is so much fed up with this robot that he just happens to call that International Robotics International company from where he has bought that robot, and he just complains to that company. So now let us see what happens next. What is the reaction of the Robotics International company? This is Robotics International, makers of robots for your home. May I help you? So this is the first command that appears on the screen when he opens online the company's Robotics International. So they are the company who makes robots for the people, and they send the robots in the houses for the help of the people. So he asks, may I help you? I have a problem with the Manku robot. So now Ajay starts complaining about Manku. He says, I have a complaint about Manku robot. It tells tales to my father. Tales. What are tales now? Tales are stories. So what does Ajay say? He says that Manku has a habit of telling stories to my father. He just pokes its nose into every conversation that I have with my father. It tells in, lets in visitors I don't want to see. So it also has a wrong habit of letting in visitors, the outsiders whom I don't want to see. It has no sense. So he says, it does not have any sense. It cannot think like me. The smile on the man's face faded. His face grew stern. So after hearing this complaint from Ajay's side, what happens on the smiling face of that man from Robotics International? His smiles just fades on. It becomes dim. Fade becomes dim. Faded means become dim. लाइट हो जाती है, खत्म हो जाती है, एक तरह से गायब हो जाती है. Obviously अगर आपकी कोई complaint आ जाए and you are just smiling before that, what will happen to your smile if someone complains against you? Your smile will fade away. Yes, his face grew stern, and his smiling face, it also became stern. What is stern now? Stern is serious. Early you were in a very good mood, but then you become serious when someone complains, especially about your products. Has no sense? Or do you mean he doesn't lie? Manku robots are not programmed to lie. So now the Robotics International company man, he knows everything about his robot Manku. He understands the feeling behind Ajay's complaint. He says, robots are not designed to speak a lie. It is actually you who want robot to speak a lie, but our robots are not designed to speak a lie. So they don't lie. Don't tell me that they don't have a sense. Actually, the problem is that they can't speak lie. The man continued to speak firmly. So he continues with his arguments. Firmly means strictly. What is firmly? Firmly is strictly. He just remained on his point, and he is not letting Ajay to just make his point accepted by the man of Robotics International. Manku robots cannot be expected to tell lies. We will have to withdraw the Manku robot from your home. So what is the heated argument that is going on between two? He is just going on complaining and complaining, Ajay, and the man, he says that if you want the robots to tell lies, then we are sorry, we have to withdraw the Manku robots from your house. Withdraw means to take away. Withdraw is to take away back to the company. So they are not interested to keep the robots where they have to speak lie. Yes, well, I mean, then he starts giving the explanations. No, I mean that, no, I mean that. What? But why? So he's shocked. Ajay is really very shocked. He says, why? But why you want to withdraw Manku robot from her home? Ajay was now very alarmed. What were his parents going to say? He was also very shocked. Alarmed here means shocked. Now he was very scared. What his parents would say? Obviously, if you complain against someone and you know that you are wrong from inside, then you are scared also from inside. That what are your parents going to say about you? If you cannot speak truthfully, the Manku robot will one day cause a mishap. So now the man gives instructions. He makes his point clear to Ajay that if you can't speak the truth, then the robot will one day cause a mishap. What is a mishap? Mishap is a problem. Then you will be in problem one day. As a matter of policy, we withdraw Manku robots from homes which are not right for them. So now he scares Ajay by saying another line that as a matter of policy, this means as a rule of the company, they have to take the robot away from the house which are not right for them. Oh no, I didn't mean that. So now he is just trying to convince the person that don't do that. I don't mean to say that. The man's image began to fade. So now fade here again means disappear. So you're just about to shut down. The man has finished his statement and is just about to say bye. Ajay stared at the blank screen. He felt very sorry for what he had done. So now the figure of the man, it starts disappearing and Ajay is just staring at the blank screen. What is staring? To look continuously at one thing. जब आप एक तरफ ऐसे निगाह लगाकर कंटिन्यूअसली देखते रहते हो, दैट इज व्हाट स्टेयरिंग. सो स्टेयरिंग, आई राइट स्टेयर इज टू लुक continuously at something. Okay. He felt very sorry for what he had done. We will arrange for somebody to come to your house and collect a Manku robot today. So the last sentence of this man is say that he will send one person to Ajay's house to collect the robot back. Your money will be refunded in full. Goodbye. So in the end he says that whatever money we have taken from you for this Manku, it will be refunded, means it will be sent to you back in your account, and goodbye for now. So I'll be honest from now on. So now Ajay learns a lesson and he repents now. He feels sorry for whatever he has asked Manku robot to do. I'll be honest from now on. He accepts his mistake and he says, from now onwards I will be honest. I will give clear instructions. Surely if I learn to tell the truth, they will give me another chance. So the thoughts are coming into his mind that if he starts talking truthfully, if he starts speaking truth, then obviously the company will just allow him to keep the robot again and they will give him another chance. I will talk to my father. So now he is saying that I will tell everything to my father and obviously my father will help me. I am sure if I tell him everything and apologize is to feel sorry, he will forgive me. He will be able to persuade them to let us keep Manku. Sananai says that I should take the help of my father. I will tell everything to my father. I will feel sorry to my father and then my father will persuade, means to convince. उनको convince करना कि they will allow us to keep the Manku robot again. So now he accepts his mistake and he just takes the help of his father in keeping the robot in their home. This happens with us also. When we commit any mistake, we just throw it on our parents that they will handle the situation now. Does it happen with you? Yes, sometimes it happens. So this was the story about Manku robot. I hope you have liked the story. It was in the form of conversation, the dialogue writing that we have done in our syllabus. So with this we finish the explanation part. One more word meaning I want to write is persuade. Persuade is to convince. So all these 11 words meanings I want you to write it down in your reader notebook and then you will also learn it. So then in our upcoming videos we will be doing the book work But today's homework is what? I want you to write one paragraph in your English grammar books about your daily routine, your schedule, how you spend your day. So this is your homework for today. Please write a paragraph in your English grammar notebook, how you spend your day, what is your daily routine, at what time you get up, how you spend your morning, what do you do in the morning, then at what time you have your breakfast, how long you study, at what time in the evening you go for play, how long you sleep in the afternoon or take rest. So all these things I want you to write in your paragraph. At what time you read a story book, at what time you go to bed, at what time you have your dinner, or you do some extracurricular activities like painting, dancing, or whatever you like. So, and if you go for playing tennis or any other game in the evening, then at what time you come back and what do you do after that, how long do you watch TV. So all this is our daily routine activity. So I want you to just pen it down in the form of a paragraph in your grammar notebook. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay home.